Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on more videos like this. Located in southern Siberia, between Russia's Buryat Republic and Irkutsk Oblast, Lake Baykal is one of the most extraordinary natural wonders on Earth. As the world's deepest and oldest freshwater lake, it holds numerous records that underscore its global significance. With an average depth of 744 meters and plunging to a maximum of 1,642 meters, Baykal contains about 23,615 cubic kilometers of water, around 20% of the planet's unfrozen freshwater reserves. Estimated to be 25 to 30 million years old, this ancient lake spans 31,722 square kilometers, roughly the size of Belgium. Baykal's crystal-clear waters offer visibility up to 40 meters in some areas, revealing an ecosystem rich in biodiversity. It is home to over 1,700 species of plants and animals, with nearly two-thirds found nowhere else on Earth. Among its most iconic residents are the Baykal seal, Nerpa, the only exclusively freshwater seal species in the world, and the omul fish, a local culinary favorite. This unique ecological makeup earned Lake Baykal recognition as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1996. The lake also experiences dramatic seasonal changes that give rise to breathtaking natural phenomena. In the frigid Siberian winters, its surface freezes under 1 to 2 meters of transparent ice, creating surreal ice formations that draw photographers from around the globe. During summer, while surface temperatures may rise slightly, the lake's deeper layers remain near freezing all year round. Lake Baykal is dotted with 27 islands, the largest and most significant being Olkhon Island. Despite being fed by 336 rivers, only one, the Angara River, flows out, making Baykal a truly unique freshwater reservoir. Indigenous communities have long revered the lake, calling it the Sacred Sea, a reflection of its deep cultural and spiritual importance. Yet, this natural treasure faces increasing environmental threats. Industrial pollution, most notably from the now closed Baykal pulp and paper mill, has left a lasting mark. Growing tourism contributes to plastic waste and ecological strain, while climate change disrupts water levels and the lake's delicate ice cycles. These challenges underscore the urgent need for sustainable conservation efforts to safeguard this unique ecosystem. More than just a stunning landscape, Lake Baykal is a scientific marvel and one of the planet's most precious freshwater resources. Preserving it is vital not only for Russia, but for the world. It stands as a powerful reminder of Earth's fragile beauty and the critical importance of environmental stewardship. Whether admired through the lens of science, ecology, or sheer natural wonder, Lake Baykal continues to inspire awe in all who encounter it. Moscow, the capital and largest city of Russia, serves as the nation's political, economic, and cultural center. Situated on the Moskva River, in the European part of the country, it has a population of approximately 12.6 million people, making it one of the most densely populated cities in Europe. The city experiences a temperate continental climate. Winters, from December to March, are quite cold, with average temperatures around -10 degrees Celsius, while summers, June to August, are warm, with temperatures typically ranging between +20 degrees Celsius and +25 degrees Celsius. Precipitation occurs throughout the year, with July being the wettest month. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on more videos like this. Moscow's history dates back to 1147, when Prince Yuri Dolgoruki founded a fortress on the site. In the 15th century, the Principality of Moscow played a crucial role in unifying the Russian lands. Although the capital was moved to St. Petersburg in 1712, Moscow regained its status in 1918. The city is renowned for its architectural landmarks, with Red Square and the Kremlin recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Moscow is also Russia's primary transportation hub, home to 9 railway terminals, 4 international airports, and one of the world's busiest metro systems, famous for its stunningly decorated stations. Today, Moscow is a major international business and financial center, hosting the headquarters of numerous corporations, banks, and investment firms. It attracts millions of tourists each year, drawn by its vibrant cultural life, museums, and entertainment venues. As a leading educational and scientific center, Moscow is home to more than 100 higher education institutions, including the prestigious Moscow State University. The population is diverse, including Russians, Altay people, and Kazakhs, many of whom have preserved aspects of traditional shamanistic practices. Visitors are drawn to the region for mountain trekking, rafting, and unique ethno-tourism experiences. Known for its unspoiled nature, mineral springs, and ancient archaeological sites, the Altay's economy is primarily based on agriculture, livestock breeding, and a growing tourism industry. The region's combination of natural beauty and cultural richness makes it one of the most remarkable destinations in Asia. The Altai is a unique mountainous region in Central Asia, whose name means Golden Mountains. Spanning parts of Russia, Kazakhstan, China, and Mongolia, the area is renowned for Mount Belukha, 4,506 meters, the highest peak in the Altai mountain system, and a site included on UNESCO's World Heritage List. Among the region's key natural features are the Katun and Bia rivers, as well as Lake Teletskoye, often referred to as Altai's Little Baykal, which reaches a depth of 325 meters. The Altai has a harsh continental climate characterized by long cold winters and short warm summers. The region also boasts notable cultural and historical landmarks, including Stalin's dacha, the Marine Station Complex, as well as modern hotels, infrastructure in Krasnaya Polyana, and contemporary amusement parks. The Matsesta mineral springs have contributed to the development of a thriving health tourism sector. Sochi's transportation infrastructure includes Sochi International Airport, a seaport, and a network of well-maintained roads and aerial transport systems that connect the city with surrounding areas, including Krasnaya Polyana. With a population of around 500,000, Sochi is recognized as both a major recreational destination and a prominent venue for international events. Krasnaya Polyana has evolved into a premium, year-round tourist destination. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on more videos like this. Sochi is Russia's largest resort city, located on the Black Sea coast. With a 145-kilometer-long coastline, it features the longest seaside stretch in Europe. The city is known for its subtropical climate. Summer temperatures range between +25 degrees Celsius and +30 degrees Celsius, while winter temperatures rarely fall below +5 degrees Celsius. Sochi gained international fame after hosting the 2014 Winter Olympics, and is home to modern sports facilities such as the Fish Stadium and the Krasnaya Polyana Winter Resort. Located 40 kilometers from Sochi at the foothills of the Caucasus Mountains, Krasnaya Polyana is a prestigious resort set at altitudes of up to 2,000 meters, offering excellent conditions for winter sports. In summer, it transforms into a hub for mountain biking, trekking, and extreme sports. The Lena Pillars are a unique natural rock formation located in Yakutia, Sakha Republic, Russia. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the pillars stretch along the banks of the Lena River, featuring spectacular limestone columns that rise between 100 and 200 meters in height. Formed approximately 540 million years ago during the Cambrian period, these striking formations were sculpted over millions of years through natural erosion. The Lena Pillars Nature Park, established in 1995, spans more than 485,000 hectares. The best time to visit is from June to August, when the weather is most favorable. The most popular way to experience the Lena Pillars is by boat tour along the Lena River, offering breathtaking views of these ancient geological marvels. This extraordinary site attracts nature lovers, geologists, and photographers from around the world. The Kamcharca volcanoes are a stunning and unique natural phenomenon located on the Kamcharca Peninsula in the Russian Far East. This region lies within the Pacific Ring of Fire, a zone of high seismic and volcanic activity, and is home to over 300 volcanoes, including more than 30 active ones. Due to its geological significance and natural beauty, the area is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. One of the most famous volcanoes is Tchaikovsky, which, at around 4,750 meters, is the highest and one of the most active volcanoes in Eurasia. Other notable volcanoes include Kurymsky, Avachinsky, and Mutnovsky. The Kamcharca volcanoes are not only important geologically, but also ecologically and as a tourist destination. The region features hot springs, geothermal fields, glaciers, rivers, and many rare species of plants and animals. Attractions such as the Kremlin Nature Reserve and the Valley of Geysers draw scientists, photographers, and adventure tourists from around the world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on more videos like this.